Hello and welcome to Scooty Mobility, home of the lightest mobility scooters in the world. This is our selection of super lightweight, foldable mobility scooters. You'll find videos of each of these models on our website. Here I'm going to demonstrate the brand new, all new for 2022, our auto folding scooter. It has now the addition of suspension. Here you can see it unfolding. It will stop when it's halfway unfolded to make sure nothing's caught up in the workings or somebody's got their foot trapped or whatever. And then you press it a second time for it to complete its motion. And then it will complete. Lift the backrest up and the steering column, adjusts to different heights for your comfort, and also for your comfort it adjusts to different angles. That's a feature that's not often found on folding mobility scooters. Very comfortable, lots of leg room on the scooter and easy to operate. Puncture proof tyres, so you can't get a puncture, but it still gives a nice soft comfortable ride. This is the suspension. This is the new feature for 2022 that we've added to the scooter. Removable battery. You can charge this battery on or off if you buy the optional off-board charger. But as standard it doesn't come with that. Now this brand new scooter, just been unpacked today, has come without the armrest, but there are armrests to go onto this scooter either side for your comfort. Control panel with the remote control on it. You also get included a rear bag to put your bits and bobs in. It hangs off the back of the seat. And now I'm going to show it folding up again. Again, it will stop halfway to make sure nothing's caught up in the workings. You press it a second time for it to complete the motion. And if we leave the steering column in the raised position, you can use it like a suitcase, wheel it behind you to get it from A to B. Only weighs 22 kilos, this one. 22 kilos is not the lightest one that we sell, but this is a very comfortable scooter with lots of other features. So it's slightly heavier than some of the other scooters that we sell.